Yo, what is up, guys? Today a pretty late trade recap, but nonetheless, let's get into today's trade recap. So, let me measure this out. I'm not sure where I put my. Okay, so today coming into the market, I came around like 3 p.m. my time to the market. When I first look at the market, uh, I'm really working on not looking at the markets outside of my trading time because there's really no point. It's just if I look on the market, it's just me giving myself free triggers to start to give myself free triggers to what it's called to give myself free triggers to look on the market and say I might do take a trade or something like that, which is a bad thing. So I'm really working on not looking at the market at all before my trading times, which is 3:30 p.m. Amsterdam time. So what did I want to see for today? So yesterday we had FOMC. We had like a really big sweep up. We swept these highs. I don't really care about that much, but we set those highs. Market opens, we dump right away. So the thing I want to see happen, like I did look at the market when I woke up, like then I only saw this, but then I never looked at it, and then I had the idea, okay, if price doesn't rebalance this, I want to see a rebalance. I came around on the market around this time. I saw, okay, price already rebalanced, and at that time this was actually like right on that OTE level. So this was for me enough of a rebalance to see, okay, to say we could move lower. I'm gonna fast forward to New York Open really quickly. So New York Open is right on this actually next candle. So this is New York Open. I was not at the New York Open when we started trading. So what happens? What could I have taken within here? I could not have taken anything within here. Why? It's because I trade continuations where we want continuation. Like price needs to go back up all the way. Like I could have maybe taken something like this. If I was measuring this, I could have maybe squeezed something like this. I would say, like really maybe something like this. But even then, it would be really pushing it. But I could have maybe taken an entry on there. But yeah, eventually we just move straight down. What did I want to see today for the whole day was sweep out this low right here. Actually, yeah, this low. I just wanted to take out Asia low right here, which I didn't even mark out. So this was basically my drawn liquidity. Drawn liquidity right here. This was my drawn liquidity. What happens is that we like edge it. We don't even get close. We got so close to it, but we just did not take it out. And the thing that I also noticed, right, is that I think on the 3 minute it will be like we move like in such a strong force down that I want to see us make a retracement. So the first retracement I was looking at was this, but I pretty soon stop looking at this. Why? Is because we inverse this gap, right? If we were to react off of this level, right, we would not have probably inversed this gap. So then at that point, I'm starting to look, okay, if we inverse that, what's probably the next level? That would be this OT level right here. But then I'm also figuring like, okay, at that point, I was really bearish, right? I didn't know if I want to see price go up because I had no reason for price to go up at all. So, and with that also in mind, if I fast forward this, so with that also in mind, price did not make a single bearish, actually on the 2 minute, did not make any single bearish closure candles moving this leg up. So with that in mind, I was also looking for a retracement going back down because we needed to make a retracement back down, right, in my eyes. So that was the two reasons why I wanted short. On the higher time frame I was bearish, and we needed to make a retracement for this higher move. So what am I looking for? I wanted to take it, I would have either taken it from this 15-minute OT level or from this consummate encroachment on the the consummate encroachment off of this 15-minute gap. So and and the thing that I was like considering was, do I drag my TP all the way down to the drawn liquidity, because I was really confident in that getting swept. But what I realized is that we were kind of nearing the end of my trading session, and usually that's when I just like be content with what I take, and my uh my strategy is backtested on like a 2.4, 2.5 or stuff, right? And this is like sufficient. This is like a good win for the day. And if I were to drag it all the way down there, it would have been pretty like you could say greedy, right? So I just took it down there because I would have probably needed to wait a pretty long time if I was going for that. So what happens? We get a pretty nice move down. Like we literally bottom tick this right on the OTE level, and then price fails to go down, go lower, fails to go lower, and eventually would have stopped me out if I was in this trade. So that's something like I'm glad I guess I did, but it's a thing that I really have to start thinking about. So am I gonna take my stop loss all the way down to my drawn liquidity, or yeah, do I not? So I also recorded me live trading, which you probably seen before this. I did not really talk that much because I was doing some other stuff while I was in that call, in that recording. So yeah, that's why I did not talk that much in the live trading. But I hope today kind of clears up what I was looking at today and why I was taking the trade. Here you got the actual executions about what I was exactly looking at. Like we had this rejection block as well. I kind of forgot to mark this out as Asia low, but that was Asia low, and that was the trade I took. On the Phonet account, I will show you guys as well. Top step X. So right here, market just open because I'm way too late with this trade recap. Yo, this is like a crazy new daily opening gap. We might retrace into this, but so one trade, $313 day win for today. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm kind of upset about yesterday. If we did not lose yesterday, like I should not have lost yesterday, but yeah, just me being, but it's just something like factors that just, for example, my strategy is one factor, but just me affecting that factor, and yeah, it's just me jeopardizing that factor. So basically, hopefully today's a win as well. But yesterday should have been a win, but it was just me jeopardizing my win rate and me not being able to see what's happening, and me being too fixated on the move. But yeah. Another thing I've been recently thinking about: should I keep this personal daily loss limit or not? I think personal daily profit target is not really like needed. Like me blocking myself out when I reach a personal daily profit target is kind of stupid in a sense. Why would not let my TP just run lower if if it makes sense, right? So that doesn't make sense to me. So I'm gonna remove that personal daily loss limit. I'm gonna just keep it just in case. Actually, I'm gonna put it on 300 because there shouldn't be a reason for me to lose this much, but at 230 I could say, yo, some trades might be a bit like I have to take it on that type of risk, and something like that. But I'm gonna change these two settings really quickly. Wait, do nothing. Save. So yeah, those are the two things. Personal daily profit target is like a bit nonsense in my opinion, but yeah. So, and right here I took it from 15-minute. What the hell is all this? Let me remove that. Remove this as well. Remove this as well. So I took it from this 15-minute fair value gap right there, and that was basically the trade. Right there to that low, and that pretty much worked out really well. So that was basically a trade recap. You'll probably see me taking it live as well. I briefly explained it why I took it, and yeah. If this moved lower, for example, something like this going lower, that would have been like a really good structure and really good trade. But us not moving lower, moving higher, does kind of, it's a bit weird. It's a bit strange, in my opinion. I'm gonna look at my trading view, and it's a little bit strange and I don't really have a reasoning for us to move lower, not move lower. But at this point, I would probably be more bullish than bearish, because actually I don't even care that much. Only thing I really care about is what market is doing. For example, if we just start making candles up, then I'm going lower, and if we don't, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna post this video really quickly, and see you guys today. Actually, yeah, today's already Friday, but I'll see you guys in the next video, which is gonna be posted today as well. But yeah, if you guys watch this video, thank you guys for watching. Let's hope we can end this week on a bit more green, but if not, so be it. And yeah, that's really it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. We've been doing really good on the XFAs, and I've been noticing me like getting better as a trader, I would say. Why? It's because me like noticing stuff, and me I usually notice more stuff when it's happening. I can read the bias better. I know I usually know when to take a trade and when not to take a trade. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't force trades. Actually, I sometimes do force trades, but I've gotten better at not forcing trades, because I was looking for a short throughout this whole move, did not get any. Then I was looking for a long throughout this whole move, did not get any, and then I finally got this move right here. So that's what I took. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and yeah, peace out.